Hello class, let's talk about the foundational texts of Hinduism, the Vedas. Now in our last presentation we learned about the 5 major texts of the Hindu tradition, and we further learned the approach to this class, which is that we are going to study these texts in chronological order beginning with the Vedas. So what are the Vedas? So the Vedas refers to a vast collection of the foundational sacred texts of the Hindu tradition. And they contain a wide array of literature, ranging from hymns to the ancient gods, prayers, even teachings on ancient medicine, as well as the origin of the world in a series of creation myths. And there are 4 books in the Vedic corpus, but the book that we will focus upon is the first book, the Rig Veda. And what is the Rig Veda? The Rig Veda is a collection of hymns and prayers dedicated to early gods called Devas, meaning the luminous or the light. And there are 3 major Devas who appear in the Rig Veda. Indra, who is the god of storms, who is also known as the king of the gods. The god Agni, the god of fire. And Varuna, the god of the sky and the defender of earthly order and justice. Now the Devas are fairly complicated deities, but their central job is that of warrior gods. That is, their job is to defend what is called Rita, or the cosmic order, so to prevent the world from falling into chaos and destruction. And for many Devas, this means fighting asuras, or demons, who threaten Rita and the survival of living things. And of course, this week we are reading about the epic poem or hymn recounting Indra battling the serpent Vritra. So the job of the Devas is to defend Rita and basically prevent the universe from collapsing. So what is the human role in the world? Well, the human role in the world is to please the Devas by offering animal and agricultural sacrifices, praying to the Devas, and composing hymns which celebrate their heroic deeds. And in exercising these human duties, the god Agni is going to play a crucial role. Why? Because as god of fire, Agni is the one who is going to transport sacrificial offerings, prayers, and hymns to the gods in the heavens. And we are also going to find later on that Agni is also the transporter of the dead. Now, although Indra, Agni, and Varuna are probably the 3 most popular deities to appear in the Rig Veda, we also have other minor deities, such as Rudra, also known as Shiva, and Vishnu, or the Dark One. Now, what is interesting, and this is a bit of a foreshadowing for later, is that although Rudra and Vishnu are minor deities in the Vedas, they're going to become extremely popular in the classical Hindu period. So just kind of a preview just to watch out for.